3 additional children have died from the flu this season, now bringing the total to 19. That's according to new reporting today from the CDC.
Time for the Einstein Healthcare Science Center report. Health reporter Stephanie Stahl has that info.
That's right. We have new numbers from the CDC today. You know, influenza activity remains elevated across the country, with 30 states reporting widespread flu activity. But that is nowhere as bad as what we had this time last year. And while the flu will make you miserable for sure, people are being advised to avoid going to the hospital.
Current CDC estimates show as many as 9.6 million people have now been sick with the flu so far this season. Up to half visited a doctor, and about 114,000 have been hospitalized.
We've seen a significant increase in the amount of flu-like illness.
Doctors are telling otherwise healthy people with flu-like symptoms such as fever and body aches to avoid the ER and call a primary care provider or visit an urgent care clinic instead.
Most healthy patients who have no other significant medical issues are adequate just treating at home with good hydration, over-the-counter medications to treat their symptoms.
That's because potential flu patients can expose other critical patients in the hospital. And on the flip side, if a person doesn't have the flu, they can pick it up or get another illness in the ER. But there are some symptoms that warrant a trip to the emergency room, even for the typically healthy patient.
Vomiting, diarrhea, inability to hold down their medications or hold down fluids at home, increasing shortness of breath, low blood pressure, and a high heart rate that may be associated with dehydration.
Doctors say children under 5, people over 65, and those with underlying health problems should consider a hospital visit because they are at high risk for complications of the flu.
Now, when caught early, there are medications that can reduce the severity and duration of the flu. Locally, New Jersey is one of 4 states with the highest numbers of flu cases. Pennsylvania has a moderate number, and Delaware is minimal. So flu season is here, not as bad, fortunately, as last year, though.
Yeah, that's good to hear.